currently we have 74 surf lifesaving clubs around New Zealand. We're split into 4 regions with multiple areas and regional-based offices, and we also have our 40 emergency call-out squads as well, and we patrol 92, which is actually growing to 94 locations this summer.
So the reason why Surf Lifesaving New Zealand chose Omnicore is we needed a system which brought all of our disparate networks together. We originally had 5 different networks across the country, all using different vendors, and we didn't really have a dispatch system which enabled us to bring all those together. And based on our experiences from my work in Surf Lifesaving New South Wales and the case studies which I've seen over there from Omnitronics, we chose to go with that product. And it's been an amazing, I suppose, change in the way surf lifesaving works in New Zealand.
I've been a Surfcom operator for a year now with Surf Lifesaving. In comparison to what we had before, I did all my training not on Omnicore. So when we came in to do our real shifts, it was just a breeze to go through.
It's been great compared to our old system because we've been able to separate the channels apart. We can patch them together. I can move them around between Surfcom operators based on the workload in each different region and how much they've got on their plates at the moment.
We are exposed to and involved in various different incidents as lifeguards. We operate in a hugely dynamic environment. Communication really is vital to our role. Often a successful response can be linked back to good communication. When we've got an incident unfolding at the beach, the control room is there to support us, whether that might be ambulance, police, our wellbeing peer support network, or helicopters or anything in between. They're the ones that arrange it for us, which really can be linked back to the success.
Omnicore has been great to use, super simple, easy to read interface. I know exactly what channels I'm listening to, where I'm broadcasting just by a quick glance of the screen, and it's been really easy and great for us to transition to. Easy to look at, I know exactly what's happening, I can listen through all the channels, and yeah, really good feedback and intuition when you're using it.
So we started off small, we've moved the operators into a very comfortable space, and now we can start to push in things around like notifications for any, if someone pushes an emergency button on the radio, what to do next as we start to develop the learning, but SIP phones will be the next thing for us.
SIP phone technology allows all of our phone lines to be integrated into the system. It means we can patch calls from other emergency services and intra-agency communications directly into our channels, which would be a game changer in adding a communication line to our lifeguards. We also use Omnitronics in our Omnicore console on laptops, and this means that we can remotely stand up Surfcom outside of our base, which is at Auckland Marine Rescue Centre. So for any reason, if we are overloaded in this building or we have to vacate this building, we can actually set up our laptops in maybe one of our regional offices or a ICP or one of our surf lifesaving clubs even. We can open up that laptop and still have oversight and situational awareness of our operations all over the country, no matter where we are. Omnitronics has been providing a service to Australia for a number of years and quite established, and we feel very lucky here in New Zealand to be integrating into that technology and applying it to our service.